How to install the parent version of the Family Zone app for iOS. To start, you'll need your mobile device. Download the Family Zone app from the App Store. Open the app and enter your email address. Select Next and confirm the email is correct. Read the Family Zone and your data page and select Next to continue. Enter your information and select Sign Up. Scroll through the welcome carousel by selecting Next. For who will be using this device, select Parent. If you're currently on a free plan, choose if you wish to proceed with Insights or Premium. Select Next on the Let's Set Up Your Family carousel. Enter your child's information, then select Done. And that's it! Family Zone is activated on your device.